Hello my lovelies and welcome back. Today I'll be testing the latest, weirdest beauty products from Amazon. Let's begin with this first one right here. We have a tiny little washing machine for your dirty beauty sponges. How cute, first of all, is this packaging? Well, not the packaging, the concept. You need batteries. First of all, this is super cheap. I mean, like, this is ridiculously cheap.
Looks like a kid toy.
Literally looks like a kid toy.
looks like a washing machine for kids.
You need 2 AA batteries, which we have.
But today is gonna be professional. Professional beauty product.
Put your thoughts below. Is this going to work or not?
Stefan gonna wet it. You gotta hook it up to your wall, y'all.
Okay, hook it up to my water system. Okay, so you actually, it's a top load, which is fabulous. You have then the actual loader. You stick it in here. Is this a joke? Like, how is it supposed to clean it? There's no direction.
Wait, you never washed your clothes before or something? Same way. Same color, lights and darks.
There's literally no directions for this. So I'm looking at the box, and I thought I was joking that I said it was a toy. Ages 3 and up. So we went on the actual link, the one we purchased it from, and it says, a makeup sponge mini washing machine, automatic makeup sponge washing toy for makeup sponge. This was $9.99.
Not bad.
This is expensive. You can pour water into the washer, then turn on the switch, and the washing machine starts to rotate like a real washer. Drain the water using the hose when finished. Okay, so Andre brought me 4 ounces of water.
Hot water.
Hot water. I think we're gonna start with adding 2, because we also don't want too much. That looks good. Okay, you know what? I'm actually just going to put the cleaner in there. Okay, now we're gonna take my dirty sponge, and then we're gonna place it in here and turn it on. Let's do this. It's floating. I'm gonna close it and then press on this button right here. Oh no, it's coming out. I added too much. It's literally like a little washing machine. Look at this. It's even shaking. That's hilarious. Emma's loving this.
And Emma's laughing at it. She's like, that's why I'm gonna play with it.
I'm trying to tilt it, but water is like coming out. Okay. We did it for 5 minutes just to give it extra time and extra love. Still looks pretty dirty. You can see it right there. But now what I'm gonna do is, he's so excited. I'm gonna clean this, take all the water out, take as much of water out as this, not run it under the water, but just kind of squeeze as much as I can, and then add new water, just nice and clean. That way we can kind of do like a second cycle of rinsing.
Like a real
washer, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so I squeezed it all out and the sponge became a little bit bigger, and you can still see it looks the same. It's still super dirty. Some of the makeup came out, but I really need to clean it under, like, I can keep squeezing it. Clean it, squeeze it, clean it, squeeze it to really get all the makeup out. And this is not really doing it, it's just moving it around in the water. So now we're gonna try to rinse it and see if that helps. So, ooh, it's so wet. All right, let's put it back in. And yeah, see, now that it's big, it's having a hard time. All right, let's put in the rest of this water.
Somebody really did not think through the process here.
This is so bad.
The watch is too small.
It's too small. It's not closing. I have to force it down. Okay, so we're gonna do another 5 minutes on the rinse option. You like my weight? Okay, let's turn this off. Open her up. And she's still very dirty. Ooh. So you see what I mean? Like, it didn't do anything, honestly. Okay, I think we can say that's a fail. But I think it's a great present for somebody. Just like a prank video. Not a prank video, but like a prank gift, you know?
Or to your 3-year-old.
Yeah, 3-year-old. It's so cute. And I did forget to mention that it does come with stickers. Emma really likes them. All right, let's move on to the next weird beauty product. I'm ready for business. Headband on my head, getting the hair out of the face because we're going to use a spatula to clean some of this makeup off. So we're using one of these spatulas right here. But what's interesting about it comes with these silicone attachments. And then I guess you help by cleaning off the makeup, which is fascinating. And we're gonna go in with my Glow recipe. This is the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. This is going to help melt the makeup off. Should I just dig right into this?
Sure.
Let's do it. Let's get that much. Oh yeah, I mean, why not?
Working?
Why not, right? Yeah, look at it, it's melting it right away.
Sounds like a shaver.
It does, doesn't it? But the thing is, you see how all of that is getting dirty? Just be nice and gentle. I mean, it's definitely cool, but it's not, I don't think this does a much better job. I prefer my hands with like a makeup eraser. Okay. So that you can see a difference in my skin from one side to the other. And honestly, it's not bad. The one thing is because it's so small, it's gonna take a little bit more time versus something that I did not long ago. They were kind of dupes for the Foreo. They had a much bigger surface area and it got around the little spots, like areas around the nose. It didn't have any issues, even right here really nicely, very gently. So I would recommend something like that. But the thing is, the reason why we got this is also because it's a spatula, so you can really kind of clean your skin, get rid of that gunk inside your pores. So I know a lot of people really like this and they had really good reviews. But yeah, I think this is a really fun tool. I think that's kind of cool. They created little silicones to help kind of clean your skin. So moving alongside from this, the reason why I didn't do the other side is because we have this skin analyzer that detects how much moisture or lack of moisture you have in your skin. It's a digital moisture monitor for your skin. Okay, we also need batteries. Make sure the skin area is not too sweaty, dirty, wet, or hairy.
Or hairy.
Or hairy. That's right, very, very important. Okay, let's just click on start. Make sure it's a constant 0.0%. And then I'm guessing we're just gonna put it on the cheeks and press. All right, you're gonna have to tell me what it is. What does that say, babe? What percent?
It's jumping from 19 to 32.
Ooh, I'm dry right now. I don't have enough moisture because I'm hydropenic. It's between 0 and 35%. Okay, so let's do this again. We're back to 0.0. Now let's check the one with the makeup. I wanna see if it's going to do. And I'm not pressing anything, I'm just putting it on the skin because it has these little sensors right there, or one sensor.
It's like a capacitor of some sort.
With waves. Then you just put it and it's doing that. See that? What is this one saying?
27 to 42.
Oh, this one's normal. So I'm normal with makeup. I got moisture on my side. I mean, that would make sense because I just literally washed it and I patted it dry. That's interesting. How cool is that? Going back to 0.0. And then let's do the forehead.
31 to 44.
Normal. I'm gonna put on some moisturizer and see.
Let's see
Yeah,
what it says, because I want to see if people would like to
that's
review.
interesting. I'm just gonna put on my Daily Greens Pharmacy.
You better be like 100% with that.
Like it's like a -20.
Or otherwise it just doesn't work. Like,
Or this is just
gimmicky.
a gimmick, you know. Okay, 0.0. Let's do it again. Andre's gonna help me read it.
Air,
Oh, it's too moisturized.
57.9. Yeah.
Oh, we're an excellence level. It's 55% and above to 100. Okay, it brought me up. Okay, that's very fascinating. I wanna see if I can do like the full step. I'm gonna take this off and I'm going to apply like the toner, the serum, and then the moisturizer on top and see if that helps. You know what I mean? Do vitamin C, and I wanna see if that's really going to give me like 100% moisture. This is a really cool device.
Just read it.
Okay. 60.3%.
That's compared to the baby? Because babies have really good skin, right?
I think so. Okay, let's do his palm because you can also see palm. So the palm is supposed to be from 65 to 100%. He's 51.3, so he is normal right now.
What about?
All right, let's check your.
Check my face.
Yeah. You're 37.9, which is normal.
Normal.
Not excellent, we're normal. Fascinating. I think it's a very interesting, very weird and interesting product. All right, let's move on to the next product. These are exciting. Balls for your face. So this right here are magic ice globes. This is good for reducing puffiness, dark circles, and wrinkles around your eyes, reduces redness and inflammation. So let's see if we can reduce this redness right here. It also stimulates circulation and exercise, facial nerves and muscles. How cool is that? It drains the lymphatic system, increases collagen and elastin production. So what you do is you keep these ice globes in the fridge at between 32 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Or you can also use and put these in water while you're using to keep them nice and cold. You can use them with, it's better used with serum, cream, essential oils, or a facial mask. Let's do it. Since I already have some stuff on my face right here, I'm just gonna, ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, yeah. Oh, this is nice. Oh, babe, this is so good.
I mean, you look like you're getting redder though, not.
Am I?
Yep.
That's funny. Taking off my makeup on this side. I want to see if this is going to reduce the puffiness under my eyes tomorrow morning. It actually feels really good. It's kind of like the ice roller, but better in my opinion. I like these. I like it better than the ice roller. It's more comfortable to use. It's not as big. You have two of them. You can go at once, but the thing is, it's glass, so you gotta be careful not to drop it. Ooh, the face feels really cold right now. It feels so good. All right, next product. This next product is really cool. It's a natural crystal eye mask. It's made out of rose quartz, and it's saying it's 100% organic, literally 100% organic. And it's supposed to effectively relieve your eye fatigue, relax the eyes while promoting sleep. So this, I have to try it on when I'm sleeping, and it says the best use is to keep it in the fridge, like so. Ooh, it's already really nice. That's so cool. I'm thinking, put this, and then you put an eye mask over that. I'm gonna go put this in the fridge while I take my makeup off, and then I'm gonna go test it out and see if it's gonna chill me out for the night. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow morning. But if not, thank you for watching, spending time with me. Please share some of your favorite weird beauty products that you find on Amazon. And thank you for watching. I'll see you the next one very soon. Bye. Ooh, babe, can you give me my mask? Eye mask? I'm gonna lay down. We were woken up to construction. So I feel like my eyes are fatigued. And also, this kid next to me, chilling with me in bed right now.
He did not want to sleep.
He did not want to sleep. He was just, I don't know what it was. And I'm looking at his Leap app, and he's going through a whole week of just growth right now. So mama needs some cold, no, what is it? All natural, all organic rose quartz. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Oh. No, this is too cold for you.
Just let him try it.
No, it's too cold. How does mommy look? Do I look pretty? See if I'm looking. Oh, this is nice, you guys. This is freezing, but it's nice. You know one of those weighted blankets? This is like a weighted eye mask.
Feels good?
Yeah, I might actually just fall asleep right now, even with all the noise happening. All right, I'm really enjoying this, you guys. I'm out. Peace.